Okay, my skin is dry, and I think this time I would like to do 2 turtles. So I'm gonna figure out where I want my 2 turtles for the canvas. And this canvas is not wood, so we'll see how if it's a little bit harder to adhere the skin to this after cutting it out with the Cricut. We'll see what happens. Because now it's not a firm surface like the wood is. All right, time to go to my Cricut.
It's like a sunrise warming us up, and spending all your time lifting me up. All of the things I've been worrying seem to be disappearing now, reminding me what days should be made of. Sunshine, betting on a good time. I've been chasing butterflies all afternoon. Night drives, cruising on the highlight, spending all of my time kicking with you, honey, with you. Ooh, honey, with you. Oh, we're on a coaster, we're on a cloud. Hands in the stars, we're beautiful now. All of the plans I've been making seem to be figuring themselves out. Letting them go, look at all we found. Sunshine, betting on a good time. I've been chasing butterflies all afternoon. Night drives, cruising on the highlight, spending all of my time kicking with you, honey, with you. Ooh, honey, with you. Oh, ooh, honey, with you.
Okay, now I'm going to take and I am going to paint on this soft gel gloss by Golden. It does act as a collage glue, so I'm going to do that now. And then I will flip it over and then I will work on the little turtle, the one that's giving me a headache. All right, so here I go. I'm going to try this Mod Podge this time because the gel gloss is drying so quickly I don't even have time to work with it. So I'm going to try this with this challenging little turtle. Okay, they are done. Really took me a long time. I definitely think that this kind of project is better on the wood panels than it is on the canvas. The canvas really sunk in as I was trying to put them down, so it made it difficult to get the transfer paper up. If anybody sees this video and they say, why aren't you using the transfer tape this way or that way, please let me know in the comments below. If you see an easier way for me to do this, I would love to hear it. Transferring them 3-4 times, it was a lot, but I am happy with it, so I wasn't going to give up. I was going to keep going. I very easily could have given up at any time, but I decided, nope, I really want to do this project. I've been thinking about this project for over 7 months, and I'm glad I did it.
Chasing